Hi, I'm Dr. Siegel with Natural Transplants. Here I am with Tracy, and I believe your procedure was actually October of 2022. Is that correct?
I can hear you now. October, did you say 20? Because it was around October 2022.
Correct. So October of 2022 is your procedure,
Yes.
and this is now we're over 3 years post procedure, and all I can really say is wow. Tell us your experience over the past 3 years, because I know it's been a long experience.
It has. It has been quite a journey, Dr. Siegel. And honestly, first of all, I want to say thank you. Thank you so much for doing this procedure. I admit initially I was very skeptical because, again, I've never done this kind of procedure, of course. And then also because of my ethnic background, can this really happen? Is this something that, am I going to get the results that I'm looking for? So I was very nervous about it. I did a lot of research and I went online, and how I found you, I'm really into comparing and contrasting and looking at reviews. And so I went on your YouTube channel and just was looking at the different reviews, and I seen the results that, women of myself, African American women, that was really truly getting the results that they were looking for. So I was intrigued, and even though I'm located here in San Diego, and I know you're in Florida, I said, you know what, I'm going to just really talk with you and just really get that consultation and really find out more about this procedure. And so I said to myself, this is something that I really wanted to do because, just to give you a backstory, I originally I had hair down to my shoulders. I had hair, my hair was fine, but what started happening is probably I would say in my maybe late teenage years, I started getting my hair permed, and and a lot of the perm that you put on the edges of your hair, it's like this cream you put to straighten your hair. That's what a perm is, which most of you probably know what that is already.
Relaxing.
But I ended up getting a chemical burn, long story short. And so I had a chemical burn through the perm being left on my hair too long. So it kind of destroyed the hair follicles. But over the years, excuse me, I did try to grow it back by using different methods, by using hair
Minoxidil and
thinning
hair products.
creams and products and different things, and it still never really grew my hair. And I even took vitamins like biotin and those type of things to try to grow my hair back, and it did grow back some, but not completely. So I just went to, just wearing wigs, weaves, that type of thing to make my hair look presentable, and I just didn't
Which
even think
cause
about
more
my hair.
damage at the end of the day.
Yes, exactly. And after a while, when you start wearing weaves and wigs, you kind of get used to hiding your hair and masking your hair and not really, wearing your natural hair out, because I was embarrassed, honestly, because of my edges, and I didn't want to have to keep trying to figure out styles to hide my edges. And so I just got tired of the whole having to come up with ways to style my hair, and honestly, I wasn't taking care of my hair. Excuse me, I wasn't taking care of my hair at all. My hair was getting damaged underneath. I should have been a better steward over my hair. And I told myself that year when I started doing this research, because I researched 2 years before I had the procedure, because again, I was very nervous. But I told myself, I said, you know what, Tracy, you need to be a better steward over your hair. If you want to wear your hair out, you're just going to have to figure out how to take care of it. But for the first step, I said I needed to at least try to grow it back in a way that I know that it can be very effective. And so I was impressed, honestly, with the women that I seen on your website. And I said, I'm just going to go for it. I'm just going to go for it. And so I did. And when I went to your office, I was nervous, but you made me feel very comfortable. Your staff made me feel very comfortable. They were
But to go back, you mentioned it was an enjoyable day, and we really try hard to make it as relaxing. The only part that's the hardest part, and I this is all transplanted hair, is the local anesthesia,
yes,
and
local
and then
anesthesia.
the biggest next question that people are always asking is, I did do the FUT procedure with you, the strip procedure.
Hmm.
Can you even find your scar?
No, I can't find it at all. At all. The
Anybody
hair,
find it?
it's literally the hair has grown so much from the area that was transplant. I mean, where you took the hair from. I can't tell. I have no idea where it is.
Um, it's so important to know that there are doctors like myself here at Natural Transplants. Again, I do specialize in all types of hair transplants, but love my traction cases. And
Yes.
is there anything you want to share with anybody out there?
Well, listen, this gave me my life back. Honestly, I felt like I was hiding beneath the wigs, hiding beneath the weaves, and I just have to be careful now. I still wear. I don't do a lot of braids. I do what we call crochet, and crochet is where your hair is corn rolled and the braid is attached to the corn roll. Versus my hair actually being braided. I don't do that anymore because I don't want to ruin Dr. Siegel's wonderful work of putting too much tension on the edges. So I no longer do that. I try to wear very loose styles. I don't have.
I think we're at the point where you have to show everybody your edges. Look to the left, put your chin down a little, and to the right, and it is beautiful. It's stunning.
Yes,
And
it literally, and before, if you see the before pictures,
we're gonna show them.
my hairline was way back here. And again, it was also the tension from the weaves that when you start wearing a lot of weaves, it in wigs, your hairline does start to recede. And I did, it was pretty bad. So how it looks now to be able to have my edges all the way around from ear to ear is totally amazing. So I
And with
recommend,
your natural baby hair still there.
yes.
So
Oh yes.
I don't
Yes.
try to over congest those baby hairs. I let you have your baby hairs and then I work right between
Hmm.
it or right behind it.
That and I love it because it's very very natural. I love it so much. So I highly recommend Dr. Siegel because I'm gonna tell you, like I said, 4C hair in our mind is like how in the world can you know fix this problem, and it is fixable, and it can be done. And
Tracy, you look amazing. Is there any last words you'd want to share with everybody out in the Instagram or the Facebook or the YouTube world?
if you're contemplating, don't contemplate anymore. Just do it. Just do it. Just do it. You see this full head of hair? Come on, you can do it. You can
Yes,
do it. And
yes.
he has been doing this for many years, and his staff is phenomenal, phenomenal. So I would just say you don't even have to think about it anymore. Just do it.
Thank you, Tracy.
Take the first step to better hair. Call 844 327 4247 to schedule your free virtual consultation.